Hello everyone! In this video we will see how we can connect frames in Figma. First, open up your project. Now to connect these two frames, select one of the frames and go to the prototype option in the side panel as shown. Now on the frame you will see a plus icon. Hold and drag it to the next frame. Now in the menu that pops up, select the navigate option as you wish. You can also play with the other options. Once you are done, you can see your frames have been connected. Now, by doing similar process, you can connect different elements as you wish. Now go to preview, and you can see that your frames have been connected. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.